Donegal, the pride of all, my heart still turns to thee. With me cottage home, where oft I roamed when I was young and free. Big houses grand on foreign lands, they can't compare at all with me cottage bright on a winter's night by the hills of Donegal. Right well I mind in the harvest time that doleful dreary day, when leaving all in Donegal to wander far away. In Creeslough town my friends stood round, I bid farewell to all. Then on the van should I waved me hand to the hills of Donegal. When gazing back through Barner's Gap at my own dear native hills, I thought no shame, oh who could blame, 'twas there I cried me fill. Me parents kind ran in me mind, me friends and comrades all, but I heaved a sigh and I bid goodbye to the hills of Donegal. Oh, Grandma Cree, I long to see my own native hills again. On a foreign shore, me heart is sore with exile longing pain. Could I but see these mountains free, could compensate for all, and I'd live as my forefathers lived and die in